Hello. We have a new friend. What's his name again? Excavator found. So here's our new friend, Excavator phone. Hi. Can you open up with your phone?
I think he wants to go, maybe.
Who? I know. He wants to call Cookie Monster. You just press this button when he has the new thunder. His number is 262
Or
455 7084.
He has another, Cookie Monster has another password. It's 225. 225.
That's how he calls. Really?
That's not, that's Cookie Monster wants cookies.
Really? Seriously, he wants cookies. How would he want cookies?
Right?
Anyway, Excavator phone, I want to show you something.
I forgot.
There's construction over here, so you can't go past.
But I'm a construction worker, so...
Oh yeah, you're an excavator though. Excavate.
Guys, I wanted to show you something. So, on Excavator phone, he wants to show you something.
What? Can he use the camera?
No, it's this.
This?
No, this thing right here, the excavator right
Oh,
there.
on that picture?
Yeah, and look at it. See that thing? It's moving. Do you see it?
Oh yeah, cool.
That's all I'm going to show you. Though.
Oh, but remember that time when Creeper stole my inventory? Oh, I don't remember. It's episode 11 when he stole my inventory. Oh, I remember. I'm going to imagine it now. You'll see my imagination, like I said in that episode 7. Creeper, why did you steal the inventory?
Oh, I just like the precious fish.
And everything too.
Sorry.
Well, it's a good thing you said sorry.
Oh.
Okay, I'll give it back to Mr. Motorcycle. Here you go.
Thanks.
Now I remember, I saw your imagination. You always see my imagination. Oh, you're great imaginating. Anyway, remember this guy?
Yeah, he's just a little bug that seems to be, but he's not.
He tried to get in Creeper's house, but his inventory wasn't in the way. Oh, stop talking about my inventory now. We have to go to episode with Excavator phone. Okay, Excavator phone, I want to show you something. Up the slide He lives, and it's Detective Snoopy.
What?
Hi guys, my name is Detective Snoopy.
Detective Snoopy, I want to come with you.
Oh, I knew you were coming down. You should have watched out.
Oopsies. Can you go back and find the slide?
You won't do it again, okay?
I will, but I might just at the part where I come down the slide at you. Just watch.
Ah, hi. Detective Snoopy. This is our new friend, Excavator phone. Excavator phone? I've been looking for that guy. I saw him on a video. Make sure to like, subscribe. Make sure to like, hit the bell, subscribe. Make sure to leave a comment and subscribe and like and give a comment. Yeah, give a comment, subscribe and like, like.